Oh my God, we're back to my show.
Our show.
Okay, whatever.
Our show.
Yeah.
Okay, hi, I'm Angela. Hi, I'm Monica. Yeah, hi, I'm Dolly.
That's my brother. And that's Junior. Oh my God, he has to do a report and he can't do it because he's stupid.
Okay, we're gonna make an explosion. Instead of using Mentos, we're using pop rockets.
Yeah, because apparently none of the stores around my house have Mentos. They're stupid.
Retards.
Fuck you, we went to 2 stores.
And we saw Sammy, my best friend.
You have a best friend?
Okay. I got him.
Everybody's your
Now
best
we're gonna do this.
Shut up, we're not arguing. Okay, we're
Now
gonna...
close it, close it. No, we gotta shake it. Are we ready?
That's gonna work.
And then open it again. No, you're supposed to open it. Open it up here.
This is like the cheapest video ever.
Aw, it was supposed to be full.
It was supposed to be fizzy.
Give me it, wait. Jump here, you need a fall. I mean, I'm looking at me.
Shut up, you hobo.
Let me do it because he sounds like a girl.
Yeah.
Can I see it?
Oh, nothing happened. This is gonna take a while.
Give me the box. Where's the bag?
Wait, my...
Other way, move! Oh!
Come on, people. Open it. Shake it more, shake it. Give me, I'll shake it.
Look at this guy trying to shake that thing.
A car.
No, you gotta shake it and then open it. Open it, Tom Peter. No.
Move
You
it.
go like this.
Go on the floor.
That's my neighbor, Hector. Wave hi, you're on YouTube.
No, you're not.
Fuck you. Wait, where'd the soda go? Oh.
Let me throw it.
Oh my God.
There's some technical difficulties, so it's gonna take a long ass while. You want to give me it?
Wait, I got it.
Let me film this.
Okay.
It's Angela.
Okay, since these two...
To get the camera on my face. Just kidding.
Go.
You better subscribe. View the video. Monica's kissing. There.
We're being retarded and drunk at the same
Explosion!
time. Wow, our $4.95 was spent on this.
Peace out, people.
So yeah, Junior, I see you have... He's reading the book Crash of 4th grade.